Do this one facial to get healthy, glowy skin. My mom taught me this and it's been passed down through the generations, and I wanted to share it with you. So start by wearing something that you don't mind if it gets messy. Start with 1 teaspoon, it's rounded, of fennel seeds, and you're gonna put it in your spice grinder. Now, why fennel seeds, you ask? Because fennel seeds have vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, zinc, copper, and in Ayurveda, it's used for cooling the skin. Fennel seeds are ground up and you're gonna add it to a bowl. And to this, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of honey. Use whatever honey you have in the house. Add that in. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm just using Greek yogurt. And notice how my tablespoons are really round. They're not flat tablespoons. This part is optional. This is besan flour or gram flour or chickpea flour. Add 1 teaspoon. Add the chickpea flour. And now listen, with this next ingredient, we're gonna use turmeric. So if you don't have olive skin, tread lightly, girls, because turmeric can stain your skin. And the reason why people with olive skin tone use it is because it helps mask the age spots and discoloration in your skin. So I'm gonna add about 1/8 teaspoon. Mix it all up until it's a nice paste, and then just let it sit for about 5 minutes on the counter. And the reason why we use turmeric is because it's an anti-inflammatory. So you're gonna stick your fingers in. That's what she said. And you're just gonna put it all over your face. And you can also put it on your neck as well. Don't forget your neck. So you can see that this is all dry, and I have a wet rag here just with water, and you're just gonna wipe it off. So it's all washed off. You can see that my skin looks more radiant. You can't notice the age spots as much. It just looks glowy and healthy. You can't see my pores, they're not as visible. And more youthful, might I add. Comment below and let me know if you're gonna try it. And if you thought this was helpful, share it with your friends and like and follow for more.